Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rashid Fauzan. I'm from class 10-7. On this occasion, I will discuss acid rain. The phenomenon that often occurs in various countries is acid rain. Understanding acid rain phenomenon. The rain is different from ordinary rain because of its nature, which brings acidic mineral to fall to the earth. Mostly acid rain occurs in countries that have very high level of air population. Acid rain occurs due to high level of mineral in the air due to population. This pollution comes from factory sites and vehicle fumes. Then this mineral come down to the ground when it rains. Because of its acidic nature, the impact of acid rain makes it dangerous for living things. What are the effects of acid rain that can occur? First, the water can damage the quality of plants, especially in the epidermis. Second, when exposed to human skin, the skin will be susceptible to disease. Third, water quality due to acid rain has also become very bad. Fourth, the water used and consumed is not good for health. This is why prevention of acid rain is very necessary to maintain the health of humans and other living things. Some of the are reducing pollution, increasing green space, and reducing the use of electrical energy. The less pollution, the less acid rain will occur. Acid rain is an environmental phenomenon that occurs in many countries around the world, especially in areas with high level of air pollution. Unlike ordinary rain, acid rain contains acidic substance that form when pollutant in the air mix water, vapor, and atmosphere. Because of this chemical reaction, the rain eventually falls to the earth has much higher acidity level than normal, making it harmful to this environment and living organism. The main cause of acid rain is human activity. Factories, power plants, and vehicles produce large amounts of pollutants, especially sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. When these gases are released into the atmosphere, they react with oxygen, with vapor, and other particles in the air. Over time, this reaction creates strong acids such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This acid then mix with clouds and fall to the earth as acid rain during precipitation. Acid rain brings a wide range of negative impacts. First, the most visible effects occurs in plants. Second, acidic water can damage the epidermis, which is the outer protective layer of leaves. Third, slowed growth and leaf loss in plants. Fourth, soil nutrients depletion and reduced fertility. Fifth, vulnerability of high altitude forests. The impacts are not limited to plants. Acid rain also affects humans. Although it does not burn the skin like strong industrial acid, frequent exposure can cause irritation and make the skin more susceptible to infection or disease. More importantly, when acid rain flows into rivers, lakes, or groundwater supplies, it reduces water quality significantly. Water with a low pH is unsafe for humans to use or consume. In communities that rely on natural water sources, this can pose serious health risks. Aquatic ecosystems are among the most affected environments. Many fish and freshwater organisms cannot survive in water that becomes too acidic. The wrecks might fail to hatch, their food source might disappear, and their bodies might become damaged due to changing water chemistry. As a result, the entire population of fish can decrease drastically, which also disrupts the balance of the ecosystem. Animals that depend on fish for food may struggle to survive as well. Buildings, monuments, and infrastructure are also threatened by acid rain. Structures made of limestone or marble can corrode when exposed to acid water, causing surface to wear away and damaging historical landmarks. Metal structures can rust faster, increasing maintenance costs for cities. Because of these broad impacts, preventing acid rain is extremely important. One of the most effective ways is reducing air pollution. This includes using cleaner energy sources, improving industrial technology so factories release fewer emissions, and encouraging people to use public transportation instead of personal vehicles. Increasing green space, such as parks and urban forests, can also help because plants absorb carbon dioxide and improve air quality. Additionally, reducing excessive electricity usage can lower the demand for power plants that burn fossil fuels. In conclusion, acid rain is a serious environmental issue caused mostly by human activities. Its effects can harm plants, animals, humans, and even buildings. However, with awareness and proper prevention efforts, the frequency and severity of acid rain can be reduced. Protecting the environment is everyone's responsibility, and small action taken today can bring meaningful improvements for the future. Thanks for everyone.